In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a T-Mobile eSIM. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you all of the methods that you have to activate a T-Mobile eSIM. You will be able to use it on any device. Of course, to start, make sure that your specific device has eSIM capabilities. Some older devices will not be able to use eSIMs. So to start, Google your specific model of smartphone and see if it supports eSIMs. If it does, then there are various ways to set it up. First, if this is a new device, when you go through the setup process, you will be automatically prompted to set up cellular, aka set up your eSIM. So in this example here, I'm going to be using an iPhone, but to keep it simple, as soon as you power on the device and you go through the initial setup, you will be prompted automatically to set it up. So just let this process finish and it will be active. So you can just tap continue. This is usually going to be the case for devices that you purchase from T-Mobile directly. Next, if you have a pre-existing device and you recently only acquired an eSIM, or if you skipped the activation process, then usually there will be a notification telling you to activate your eSIM. If you see this notification, all that you have to do is tap on it, and immediately upon tapping on this notification, you will be able to get it done. So once again, just tap continue and let this process finish automatically. You will need to be in close proximity of any available network tower to get this done. Now, if you aren't prompted or you want to do this process manually, access the settings and then find mobile service or cellular. So usually this is going to say mobile service or cellular right underneath Bluetooth. So just tap on the option here, and immediately upon choosing either of these options that you see, you will be able to scroll down and find Add eSIM. So tap the option once more, and as long as you have an eSIM from T-Mobile to set up, you will be able to get this process done from here. So once again, just tap continue and let the process finish automatically. If all of this fails, then you can try downloading the T-Mobile prepaid eSIM app available on the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android, and in this app you will be able to sign in using your credentials, so usually an email or a phone number, and once again you can get it activated. If all else fails, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate eSIM T-Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.